ये अब खुली हुई एक्सेल की शीट। करना ये है कि सबसे पहले तो ना ये जो हर एक पेज पे हमारे पास जो पिक्चर्स है, now we have to do is that these all images or logos, they are logos in every sheet, so it is hard to remove them manually one by one, as I have 24 sheets. So what I am going to do is run a visual basic code in a macros to remove these pictures um, automatically. So going to my OneDrive, going to Excel folder, Excel notebook. Where is Excel? Here is it. So delete all pictures in. So I'm going to copy this code into data, into developer tab, go to the Visual Basic option, file, insert module, paste the code. So we have to remove the if condition because we don't need to remove the only specific size of the picture. Instead we remove all of the images. Now simply I'm going to run. Now we can see 68 pictures were deleted successfully. Closing the micro, all the images are deleted, so we are happy now. Now the next step I want to do is to remove the first 11 rows from all of the sheets. So for this I'm going to select all of the sheets. So go to the last one, first sheet, press and hold shift and then come back to the first one, click the first one. Now you can see all of the sheets have been selected. Now simply go to this, select all of these first 11 sheets and press delete. It will take some time because it will process all of the 34 sheets. Now it has been processed. I can see the first rows are successfully deleted. I'm gonna save it because sometime my Excel may get some problem and crash, so I don't want that. I will pause the video till it's saved. So we are back. Sheet so file has been successfully saved. Now what I want to do is, if I go to the sheet 1 back, and I want to now separate the columns, merged columns. For example, these columns are merged, I want to separate them. So simply I went to the last sheet, and select all of the sheets, like this, and then I want to go to home and select all unmerged cells, and now again it is going to take some time to process it. To pause the video, delete some. Oh, okay, now we can see this is done. Now all I want is to give the borders. As we can see, some cells don't have any borders, so I will select all and go to the borders tab and select all borders. It has been now processed. Processing actually. I'm going to pause the video. So finally it's done to all of the rows. Now if I expand these columns, I can see these are the empty columns that these columns do not have any data in it. So all I want to simply delete them from my Excel sheets, all of the sheets. So I'm going to select these cells and probably this one also. This cell, press and hold Control, selecting all of the cells that I do not want. Delete. Again, it will take some time. I'm going to pause the video. Let me try to apply autofilling in this sheet. So Control A, Control G, spatials, blanks, okay. So let me choose this this column, enter, shift and government, select, control and enter. So there are the bunch of href, ref because we don't find any reference for that. So what I am going to do is going to Control Z, and it's got hanged. Let me wait for a while. So I have reversed back. Now I want to do now is to combine this sheet first and then apply the fillings formula. Now what I am going to do is to fill these columns first, so I can get rid of these 3 rows containing reference tags. So let's get started. Going to file 1 as we don't worry about the file 1 right now. So going to the starting with the file 2, sorry, sheet 2, last sheet, then select control and selecting this column and this column and this column. So I'm going to press Control G, specials, blanks, OK, control and select this, go to enter and select this and controlling enter. So now we can see we get we got all of the these rows. Now I this is formulas. I just want to replace formula with the actual value. So Control C, so for we are simply going to do Control A, Control C, Control A, Control C, and Control Alt V. So we are going to paste the actual values. OK, it is going to apply to the every sheet. So wait for a while. So successfully done. Now the next step I just want to do is to delete the above 3 rows from the all of the sheets, the selected sheets. So control and hold control and select this sheet and delete these rows. So rows got deleted successfully. Now let me save the file. I will catch up you again. We can see it's done here. Meanwhile we can see we are not getting values properly. We have got a lot of zeros here, so it means we have a problem there. Sheet 4, all I have to do now, I have reversed back, then I can see here the columns are correct there, but it means there was a problem in other sheets. So let me reverse it back again. And go to the other sheets. The son of the bitch, Excel hangs again. So I have reversed back again. Now I'm going to apply the formula again. So let me apply for all of these and then get rid of these columns. uh, Same approach, so including the sheet 1 also. Going to length, selected all of these, control A, control G, spatial blank spaces, okay. Selecting this, wait for a while to making Excel responding. Excel is making me really angry. Control A, control G, spatials, blanks, okay. Then I have to wait again for it. Now let's suppose we have selected the trade course. Going to the formula bar, enter. this is done now. Let me check it. Please don't get hang.